Welcome back to Tetrakan Super Monoblock, a channel about fixing and using 4-track recorders. I'm back, motherfuckers! If you saw the last video, then you'll know that I had a pretty bad house fire and my workshop was kind of destroyed. My house is still a shell. Insurers really haven't done all that much. I am in alternative dwellings paid for by the insurance company, and I have a room. I have a desk space. I have managed to recover some soldering stuff, some bits and pieces, and some machines to work on. So what have we got here? 414 Mark 1 Mini Studio, Porta 1, Porta 2, 44 Mark 1, 44 Mark 2's under there, 44 Mark 3 I was working on before, but you'll probably see me recap that in the coming months. Porta 5, 246. Here's the 464 that I was working on before the fire happened. So I think the first order will be to... I had a couple of videos that I'd filmed but not edited, or edited but not uploaded. So I'll be doing them over the next few weeks. And at the same time, we've been talking to people going offline about Windex, which I thought you can't get in the UK, but it turns out you can. I've got that arriving, so I'll start cleaning all the fire smeg off of these, and so hopefully we'll do some tear downs and repair videos in those shortly after. So the next few videos you're going to see aren't... they'll be in the old space. The old space was this kind of like cornucopia of kitsch psychedelia and edgy faux occultism. I'm now in this rather distinguished, bland, can I say that? Maybe not. Oh, only by comparison. It's a nice enough room, but the character of the working space, the really only thing that belies that is I've got my plinth to Baphomet and Cthulhu juxtapositioned with my landlord's paintings of Labradors. Look at this proud mama doggo. Look at these cute little puppers playing with apples, as Labradors do. So, yeah, I mean, I can probably make a start. I won't be going at it too hard. I mean, basically, there was a few months there where I didn't have a place I could have done this at all. I've had this space for, I guess, the better part of 2 months, but actually at that point, to keep my head right after the fire, one of the things I did was get myself... sorry, this is completely off topic, but I signed up for a charity boxing match and I won. I won against a guy that had fought twice before and won twice before, and I gave him his first loss. So I'm pure striding about, like, feeling hard as fuck, like I'm Liam Neeson and Taken or something. I have a particular set of skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. There's a bomb in your house. I don't think Liam Neeson's actually a member of the Ra, despite my accent. All my previous videos, like, obviously I've edited and I'm just spraffing here, but yeah, basically, sorry for the break. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. My subscribership doubled from 100 to over 200 just while I was doing nothing. So thank you for being patient and waiting for me to start uploading stuff again. That will happen soon. See you soon. Bye. Wagging a finger like I'm telling you off. I mean, bye. Bye.